Good?
You're like a try-on set cat.
Oh, I know, right? I don't know if the body's gonna fit you, though. Okay. Do I even need scissors for this? Maybe. I was like half thinking that you're gonna bring Josh over to see this.
He's still at work.
Oh, he is?
Yeah.
What'd you get off because you're going on vacation or something? Is that what that is? Oh.
I just kind of told everyone, like, I'm leaving at 2:30 today because I'm going to Seattle, so...
I need to get stuff prepared.
Yeah, bye-bye. And I said, okay.
There we go. Jesus. What do you think, Blanche? She's not amused. And then Sterling. Do you see this?
He's a perfect cat loaf.
He always perfect loaves. Oh my god, I see blue. Oh my god. This isn't real. This isn't happening right now.
It is real.
Oh my god. Oh boy. Okay. Yeah. So,
Don't throw up, please.
no, I won't. Oh wow, there are her plugs. Oh wow. That's cool. Okay. Am I gonna need the scissors again now?
It looks like they did a tape fold.
Huh?
And they just folded it and taped it.
Yeah.
Yeah, cut around the knot deal.
Yeah.
Even Blanche.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
I am the worst cameraman.
Oh, I see your head. Oh no. Oh cool, I got one of their bandanas.
Oh, nice. Very cool.
Yeah. Definitely wear that during the parade. And I got stickers and then her plugs, some of the plugs. Oh, they put her Galaxy ones in. Oh, this is cool. Yeah, they're the foam padding stuff that they put on the bottoms of feet.
Uh-huh. My goodness.
They're cute. Well, yeah, her ear holes are huge. Oh boy. Okay, so what do I do first? I don't know. Oh my god. Okay, well the head's on top, so I'm gonna do the head first. Oh boy. Oh, ears. Oh wow. Oh, I see how they go, and they just pop right in.
Yeah.
Ugh. Oh my god. Oh, she's so cute.
Oh wow, that is adorable.
Oh my god.
That's the head shape you were looking for too.
It's perfect. There goes the plug.
Yup. You're gonna have to be careful with those.
That's okay. It just wasn't put in properly and the ears were bent.
Oh.
But yeah, here are the Galaxy ones.
Yeah, they're really cool looking.
Oh my god. Oh wow, the teeth are... Whoa, they're like plastic.
Yeah.
Oh, she's so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. So soft. Oh wow, and their heads are lined and everything. That's awesome. Okay. Okay, let's see. Put my hair back. Oh, they have their own little tags.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh wow.
How does it feel?
It's perfect. Holy shit. Let's see.
Nice.
That's my vision.
Do you have any issues in the center?
It's literally like this big.
Oh, not bad. How
Wow.
does it feel to finally be a cat?
It's awesome.
You were handling this a lot better than I thought you were going to. Oh my god, so cute. That blush is perfect for you right now, by the way.
I know. Ears. Okay.
We debuted it at RainFurrest. I know. Oh, it's so cute. Oh.
Oh.
So cute. Oh.
Oh wow. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, magnet.
Magnets.
Yeah. If you were to see the back, yeah, it's full magnet.
Well, that's just Mel. The magnet's in the suit.
Huh?
The magnet's in the suit.
Well, yeah, I know. And then her eyebrows and can
Mm-hmm.
make her grumpy.
Ah! Oh my god.
Wow. Fuzz. Don't eat that. What do you think, Sterling? What do you think? Oh my gosh. Okay. She's just gonna go right there. Holy shit. There. Okay. And her big ass fucking body. Okay. Ugh.
See, it's really funny because that size box was just Meep's feet.
Holy shit! Okay, leg. Wow. Big leg. Big.
Is the tail attached?
No, it's on a kidney belt. It's like one of those military belts that's like that big, and it just fits around and you just wrap it.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah. Blanche, no. Oh, tail. Oh, wow. I love it. It's so soft. Oh. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Oh my god.
That looks great. Okay, I'll put it on in a minute.
No, you need to get is one of those cool shirts for racing.
I have some.
Cool shirts. They literally have hoses that circulate water through them.
They have Fursuit or furry branded ones. People make them. Oh, my beans! My beans!
Oh my god, they're gigantic!
I know. Okay.
Oh my god!
Beans. Oh my god.
God.
They're,
I thought Meep's feet were big.
you just got big legs. These are feet. Wow.
Them some monstrous stompers, my dear.
That's what I asked for.
Really?
Yep. Wow. Okay, do they have these labeled? No. Okay. Oh my god. Let's see. Oh, they're super comfy. It's like wearing a slipper.
I'm noticing you're doing that, which I'm kind of on the fence about.
What, like slipper padding?
Yeah.
I dig it though.
I dug it for the first, like, year.
Oh
Oh my god, you were gonna be the model queen in this suit.
Just for a bit till I can get used to them. Oh my god, here. Put it down a little bit. There.
They're so big!
I know. Oh my god, okay. Ugh. I'm gonna go put on my Under Armour real fast and put this on.
Okay.
See what it looks like all together. Okay. I have a back zipper.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yep, there's the belt.
Oh wow, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. These are really nice. Okay.
That's a weightlifting belt.
Kidney belt.
Yeah. Interesting.
By the way, is that all of your mounties in that box in the back there?
Yeah.
And your Fox box?
Yep. Ouch. Okay. Holy crap. Thunder thighs. Ugh. Ugh. Okay, belt. Let's See if I can do this first try. Okay.
They never said transformation was easy, right?
No. So confused. It's like straight up and down.
It's stuck together. Okay.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
I didn't know it was stuck together.
Yeah. Make sure it's not twisted.
No, that's what I'm trying to do. Okay, so that goes this to that.
And then you got the third bit of it. Yeah.
Where does that go?
I think it just goes. Yeah, something like that.
We're learning as we go, right?
Yep.
Ugh.
Oh my gosh!
Okay, you're gonna have to zip up my back.
Okay.
Oh, tail. That was my tail. I hit my box.
You scared the dip dap a little bit there.
I did.
Oh man.
Should almost do a removeless tab on that so it doesn't fall down on you.
So goddamn
Why?
soft.
Because that's it, when it bounces, it'll kind of drop down a tick every now and then. That's why the zippers fall.
Mm.
Should almost do a removable key.
Ugh.
It'd make life easier.
Huh? Okay. Wow, it's already hot.
Yeah.
Okay. Feet. One down. Ugh. Okay. Second one down. Ugh. The
Getting a
crotches.
nice shot of cat butt.
Huh.
Oh my god, those feet.
I know. Ugh. This is gonna get used to. Okay. And
Oh my gosh.
oh, her nose is velvet.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Man.
Okay. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh,
Can't.
what a cutie cat. Looks like there's a lot of extra space in that suit though.
There is.
So I dare to say it shouldn't be too hard for me to fit that.
Probably not. Ooh. Huh.
Oh, look at the little teepers. Ooh. You're like gonna have to have somebody help you put the other paw on though.
Yeah.
I think I'll watch you struggle for a little bit, though. You only got 4 fingers. There's no middle.
Ugh.
Close enough.
You can't be insulting with 4 fingers.
Yeah, it's kind of hard.
Uh.
Oh god. Cat down.
Did it.
And I can see the very confused and spooked Dipper now.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh no. Dip. Dip.
He's like, I ain't gonna let you get near me.
Feels weird that my crotch is not like up.
Oh, I know that feeling, yeah. Meep's crotch is slightly dropped down too. Also, it totally looks like you've got an inappropriate bulge going on there.
There you go.
Hi, Sterling.
It's just how the fabric's laid.
You can't see it. I legit can't see it.
Yeah, I know.
Hi, Sterling. Oh.
Holy goodness. I'm just a little concerned about the dance competition because if you don't know how to dance in those gigantic stompies, you're gonna have to like change up your entire routine to try and
Yeah. Just a little bit.
just a little,
Yeah.
just a little.
Oh. Can I do it?
Is it hot in there?
A little bit. Can I do it?
Oh my god, are you really going to?
Yeah.
We're going to try. Oh my god. That worked well.
Actually, I could actually pick up stuff pretty good.
You just have to kind of shimmy it around all over the place.
Yeah. Oh. Can I do it? I can't unlock my phone. Dang it. Ugh. Oh. I want to go run around outside and scare my neighbors.
I don't think that's the best of ideas.
No.
No. Halloween.
Yes, Halloween, definitely.
Yes, definitely Halloween. Gosh, I wish you guys lived closer.
I know.
Well, it is only 4 hours. But then again, it's also 4 hours doing 80 miles an hour.
Hey.
I would love to go trick-or-treating with the day kitty.
We can go trick-or-treating at Winfurl Strike.
We're going to try to make it to that.
I already got work off for it.
Okay. We'll still try to make it up to that.
Ugh.
Blah.